हेलो जी, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, इवनिंग एंड राधे राधे आप सभी को। आ गई मैं फिर से अपने नए ब्लॉग के साथ एंड अगेन फ्यू डेज लेट। मतलब कैसी सी हूँ यार मैं, मतलब खुद बोलकर कि हर संडे एक वीडियो डालूंगी पर अब कर नहीं पा रही। बट सिंस आई एम हियर आई हैव सो मच टू शो यू गाइस। देयर इज अ लॉट दैट हैपेंड विद इन अ वीक। Few things for which I was prepared and some for which I was not. But this is what life is. But we are here to spread happiness and share only the happy moments. अब हुई ना साल की सही शुरुआत। Our first flight of 2026. Although it was a very short journey, but still. And आ गए हम वापस अपनी अंडे जैसी शक्ल लेकर. So we are headed somewhere and you will find out soon. Guys, हमारी फ्लाइट डिले हो गई है. For your information, तो हमारे पास टाइम पास करने को बहुत टाइम है. हमारे पास टाइम पास करने को टाइम बहुत है, सही बात है. क्या गाइस, तुम मेरा डबल चिन दिखा रही हो? We tried our best to vlog here.
हाँ, तो अब मैं वैसे भी नहीं इसमें वॉइस ओवर या फिर मैं इसमें तुम्हारे साथ नहीं दिख पाऊंगी ना for the next 6 months almost or maybe 4 months.
That's my sister doing some emotional drama.
मैं इसीलिए क्या कर रही है
मैंने अपना नील पेंट खराब कर लिया गाइस.
ये टाइम पास करने के लिए कर रही है क्योंकि हमारी फ्लाइट डिले है.
हेलो हेलो गाइस, देखो मैंने नील पेंट मंगवाए हैं. ले सॉरी, मेरे नेल्स पे मतलब सारे मेरे सॉरी बोल रही हूं. सबसे कुछ सॉरी. ये टूटे फूटे हाथ, मेरा भी हाथ.
लाइन से तो भटक गई मैं.
And finally we boarded our flight. The first thing we did was ठुसोइंग. यार मम्मियाँ कितनी स्वीट होती हैं यार. They always know मेरे बच्चों को भूख लगेगी.
वैसे मम्मी ने भेजा तो बहुत कुछ है बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट आइटम. क्या बोल, उसको यूपी और बिहार का फेमस फर्रा बोलते हैं जो कि दाल का बनता है गाइस.
Cheers. Mama packed so much lunch. So what we are having here is called farra. ये चावल के आटे का बनता है and it has a stuffing of dal. She also packed this गाजर का हलवा.
Oh my god, सीजन का पहला गाजर का हलवा अपनी फ्लाइट में खा रही हूँ गाइस. Look at this. My god.
यार मुझे ये सब देखकर अभी भूख लग गई. इतना सारा खाने के बाद we went for a small nap.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सो गए क्योंकि और कुछ करने को नहीं था. तो ये तो मेरे से पहले उठ गई तो ये स्केचिंग कर रही थी. दिखाओ, देखो मैंने किया नहीं अभी तक. क्या दिख रहा है आपको? अभी ये बना तो रही है, ये बन जाएगा उसके बाद फिर हमें उस लड़की को ढूंढना भी, उसके तक पहुंचाना भी तो होगा. ऑडियंस.
Since I had plenty of time, I utilized all that time finishing up the sketch that I started earlier. I wanted to show that sketch to that girl, but maybe it was time for her flight and she vanished somewhere. Check out the link in description for full sketch video. Finally, we have reached our destination. I'm already in love with the vibes of the city. I was amazed by the looks of this airport. If I have to say it in one word, I would say it was stunning. I felt like someone has dropped me in the laps of greenery. Every corner of this airport reflected the glimpses of Karnataka. Here I am entering again. Namma Bengaluru and the adventure begins. ऐसे तो हम बहुत थक चुके थे और नींद भी आ रही थी हमें. But as soon as we step outside of the airport, we felt so alive. We couldn't stop staring outside of the window. And then more khana. Since the house was very far away from the airport, we had one more meal in our cab. Again, thanks to our mama. This is our first time in Bengaluru, and the first thought that came to my mind was, I want to shift in this city. We didn't even realize that it was a 2 or a 2.5 hour cab drive. And yes, we were lucky. We didn't find much of a traffic due to Pongal holiday. Just a few traffic lights. And even that was fun. कैब वाले भैया की प्लेलिस्ट तो बहुत ही बढ़िया थी. Dancing throughout our journey to home. And we are home. A short drive after our dinner, strolling through the roads of Bengaluru, witnessing the nightlife, and had a very delicious ice cream at the end. Our next day was really full of adventure. We went to Prani. It is a sanctuary for pet animals where we can interact with various animals. It's a must visit if you are in the city. We were welcomed by this lovely creature named Iguana. And here's the another cutie. We met ponies, a horse named Maya, goats, and these cutie guinea pigs. But wait, it's not over yet. अभी तो आपको मैं बहुत सारी cuties से मिल रहा हूँ. These ducks were really interesting. They can't get wet even if they are in water. And say hello to Archerfish. We witnessed a great show by them. Oh my, just look at that walk. Girls, where have you learned this from? And the soft ball of fur in my hand. Snake bhai sab so rahe hain abhi. We will wait till he wakes up. We will be meeting him personally. Until then, we'll have our Finding Nemo moment. Oh, and welcome to the Coco Show. And the python bhai sahab is here now. And they're also known as Royal Bull Python. And I actually held them in my hands. I was scared by the thought of it, but actually they were not really scary. I found them quite friendly. I mean, better than some human friends, right? And here's our famous कछुआ bro. कछुए और खरगोश की स्टोरी को सच साबित करते हुए. भैया सच में बहुत स्लो मूव करते हैं. Okay भैया, bye now. We have to meet our other friends. Time to meet these tall ladies here. No, these are not ostriches. They're called emu. Sorry, emu. I don't know. And finally, we are here. This was my favorite. I have always liked birds, But this was the first time I actually held them, interacted with them, talked to them, spent time with them. Probably this was the only spot where I spent my maximum time. Just look at them. How beautiful are these? So colorful, so vibrant. Say it. Okay, just looking like a wow. And on our way home, we stopped at this Gaushala, spent some time with the cows. And on our last day, we visited this Lord Shiva temple, took his blessings. It was time for me to come back home now. I have no idea how these couple of days went by. It was too quick. The worst thing about a journey is it ends somewhere. Oh, and I missed this clip. This was us in our cousin's home. Just to be clear, before you come to any conclusions, we didn't cook this meal. We were just chopping some onions. This yummy dish was prepared by my didi. और नहीं, ये बोलने के मुझे पैसे नहीं मिले. And I'm going back home now. I think I crossed the Google office. I didn't realize it then. अच्छी है यार building इनकी. After all, it's Google. And here I am back to Bengaluru airport. I reached really early, afraid of Bengaluru traffic. And yeah, trying here to record myself. I was too shy. And this small fountain, I loved it so much. It was the main attraction of the whole airport. I wandered here and there. I wandered here and there on the airport, and finally then I boarded my flight and reached back home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Until we meet again, Radhe Radhe.